Money manifesting, one of the best ever advice you're gonna hear. And you need to listen to all of the video because you're gonna be so happy you did at the end of it. So, manifesting money, we've been doing it for months, years, nothing happening. I'm coming with one simple little shift which will change everything. That's an absolute promise. I know you're in the habit of talking in a particular way about money. And I know you guys. I've talked to thousands of you, and I know what you're gonna say to everything in life. I can't afford this. I haven't manifested the money yet. I can't do this. I can't have this. I can't. And I'm telling you right now, yes, you can, because it's just ridiculously easy. It's just too easy. But to make the first step and the first switch, which you probably never heard, is how do you go from I can't afford this to yeah, I can easily. Just to let you know, if you listen to my videos, you will learn for free how to manifest anything at the speed of light. So please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you're notified every time I release a new video. And for those of you who want to take it a step further and become millionaires, I'm teaching amazing, fantastic program called Millionaire Identity Shift Accelerator, where I will teach you. There's so much information out there, be a billionaire, but no one teaches you how to make the shift, how to become the person who is a millionaire before the money can, by laws of physics, arrive. I'm teaching that in the greatest detail you've ever seen. Please get into the waiting list. We're going to talk to you. One of my team is going to talk to you, and you enter. People get results. My last client manifested $100 million contract, and 2 weeks later, $250 million contract. There you go. Um, so how do you go from I can't afford this to this is just too easy? Switch it. Switch it instantly into how can I afford this? This is the trick people with old money use all the time and teach their children. They never tell them, no, you cannot have this. No, you cannot have that car. No, you cannot have this toy. No, you cannot have the chocolate. We can't afford it. They would never say that ever. They will teach their children, how can you afford it? What can you do to be able to afford it? And that's a perfect shift, but it's not the end of it. Listen more. Because when you say, and your brain hears you, how can I afford this? The brain and the universe gets instantly into mode of, huh, hold on. So I couldn't create money, but now I can create money. I just need to know how. And you open this very closed gate of, I can't afford it. I don't have money. You open the floods and you will start getting amazing insights and ideas about how you can afford what you need to buy. And it'll happen on two levels. Either you're going to start getting ideas and you're going to create ideas yourself. Like I could do sell something on eBay. I could sell something on vintage. I could bake cakes over the weekends and set up a little business, or I could sell this, or I could do that, or I could teach languages, or I could babysit, or blah, blah, blah. That's the small stuff. Or I want to start a business, which I teach also in the Millionaire Accelerator. Or I can invest, or I'm going to ask universe. That's the second part. So either you invented yourself the solution, or you say, okay, so I went from I can't afford it to how can I afford it? Now I know I can afford it, but universe, you need to help me. Universe, give me all the ideas how I can afford this thing. Or what can I do to land the 5 million, the 10 million, the 100 million I want? And you know what's going to happen? Within seconds to hours to next day or 1 week, if it's something big, universe will give you an answer. It'll say, start this business, start coaching, start, gardening company, start cleaning company, learn how to trade, learn how to invest, learn how to do da 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 da. And because the universe knows what's going to work out for you already, because you have already done it in different parallel reality. It's just giving you the information of what you've done in a different parallel reality to what you can do right now to make that money. Or it'll tell you go buy a lottery ticket. This is how easy it is, people. I never ever want to hear from you that you cannot afford something because it's embarrassing. You're literally saying to yourself, to other people, and to universe that you don't have money, you don't know how to make money, and money is a no-no for you. That is embarrassing. I would never say that to anyone. You cannot talk poorly of yourself. That's anti-manifesting stuff. You don't do that on this channel. So switch from I can't afford this, I can't have this, yes, I can, and how can I? And you can come up with the answers, or you ask universe and the universe will come up with the answers. That's the all of it. That's the end of story. It's this easy and it will be sorted out for you because it always is. It's the law. So I'll see you at the Millionaire Accelerator and don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.